How to find manage app permissions settings on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find manage app permissions settings on TikTok mobile. First then open TikTok and then click profile, and here in the top corner you will find these three lines. Click on it and then click settings and privacy, and now just click this one, security and login, and here you will find this one, manage app permissions. Just click on it, and as you see here you will find manage app permissions settings, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.